In ancient wisdom, a healthy stomach begins with movement. Walk for just 15 to 30 minutes every day, especially after a meal.
These Chinese monk movies are getting millions of views both on TikTok and on YouTube. Yes, people are particularly glued to this kind of videos because it teaches wisdom, it also teaches philosophy, it teaches life, it teaches about nature, right? So people are actually glued to this kind of videos. So in today's video, I am going to be teaching you how you can create your own Chinese monk movies in minutes. And when I say minutes, right? So meet me for the first time. Hi, I'm Riti Big Sister, and all I do on this channel is to teach you everything you need to know about AI content creation, YouTube automation, and ways you can earn using AI. So go ahead to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you do not miss out whenever a new video is being dropped. So guys, let's go to class.
So guys, the first step is to generate our script, right? The first step is to generate our script. And for the purpose of this tutorial, I am going to be making use of ChatGPT, right? So when I get to ChatGPT, this was what I told it. I said, hello, I want to go into content. I want to go into content about the Chinese monk niche. Give me 10 kind of topics about health and natural treatment of illness. Mind you, your own topic or your own niche may not be about health. Yours may be about wealth. Yours may be about motivation. Yours may be about educational content. Yours may be about, there are many things you can do with this monk videos. Do you understand? But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm limiting my teaching to health because health is an evergreen topic. It doesn't get expired, right? So I told it to give me the 10 kind of topics about health and natural illness, and it gave me 10 good topics. Can you see it? 10 ancient Chinese herbs that support a strong immune system naturally. 7 money habits that Chinese monk, natural food that may help reduce inflammation in the body, 10 natural ways to improve digestion without medication. You understand? Natural habit that may help keep your blood pressure healthy. And this particular topic applies to both the young and the old. Do you understand why people actually pay attention to the end? This is why these topics are very, 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 very helpful. It's not only for entertainment purposes, it is also for educational and health purposes. So it gave me up to the 10th topic. Do you understand? The 10th one is everyday foods that may help your body fight common colds naturally. We have the citrus, we have the garlic, we have the ginger, we have the yogurt. This is so nice, honestly. So this is how I generated my script. This is how I did it. So guys, having gotten our script, the next step is our image prompt. I asked it to give me the image prompt of a monk. You understand? So I asked it to give me 5 image prompts, and I asked it to also make it well detailed, and it gave me these 5 image prompts. As you can see, they are so detailed. So if you're interested in these prompts, comment prompt in the comment section and I will send them to you. So guys, having gotten our image prompts, the next step is to generate our images one after the other. And for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be making use of ChatGPT to generate my images. You can use Google Gemini. Google Gemini is unlimited. You can use Flow AI if Flow AI works best for you. You can use Grok AI to generate your images if you have subscribed to their pro plan. Do you understand? So I want to use ChatGPT because I don't have strength to start leaving this site, guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the first prompt and I'm going to generate it using ChatGPT. So I'll just copy this, then I'll head over to this place and put it, and I'll say generate a peaceful blah 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 blah. I'll just click on this arrow and allow it to generate my image. So for those of us that don't want to generate with ChatGPT, let me go ahead. Before you guys say that I'm wicked, let me go ahead and generate it with Google Gemini. Let me show you how you can generate with Google Gemini. So I'll just copy the second image prompt, then I'll head over to Google Gemini. So we are here in Google Gemini. So to generate with Google Gemini, I'll just copy that prompt that I generated using ChatGPT. Then I will just say generate, and Then I'll say 16 by 9. This is YouTube. It is 16 by 9. But if I'm making it for TikTok, it is 9 by 16, right? Then I'll now click on this place and allow Google Gemini to generate our image for us. So we are going to compare and contrast between the image generated with ChatGPT and the image generated with Google Gemini. Which one is better? This mug looks friendly. It's nice. It looks fine. So to download it, I'm just going to click on it and I'll save. Yeah, so this is how to do it. This is how to do it. I'll head over to ChatGPT to generate the rest of the images. Then we'll proceed to the next step. So here is the third image. Let's see what ChatGPT will give us, and we're also going to generate the fourth and the fifth images using ChatGPT. Right guys, so after generating our images, I told it thank you for the images, give me a short voiceover script for an old ancient Chinese monk on how daily walking can improve digestion without medication. So this topic is among those topics that it generated for me earlier on. So I just picked one that I feel is that I feel is very, very important, right? So I'll now click on this arrow and have it generate my voice over script for me. So I asked you to make it to be short, but this is too short, please. Okay. You can ask it to make it to be longer. Do you understand? You can ask it to make it to be very long, depending on how you want your video to be. So this is tutorial, and I just want it to be short like this. Though it's short, but we are going to manage it, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the script that it gave me. Then we head over to the next step. So guys, having gotten our images and our voiceover, we are going to head over to the next step, which is our animation. There are two steps to do this. It's either you generate the video or you merge the pictures together, or you merge the images together and add a voiceover on it. So I'm going to take you through the two steps. Do you understand? I'm going to teach you how you can convert it to video, and I'm also going to teach you how you can add a voiceover on it. So for the first step, we're going to convert the images to video. And for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be making use of Google Gemini to convert my images to video, right? So I'm going to head over to Google Gemini. Then I'm going to open it. If you have not downloaded Google Gemini, you are missing out big time, right? So when I get to Google Gemini, I'll click on create video. And when I click on create video, I'm going to import the image that I want to make talk. Do you understand? So when I click on this plus sign, I'll import the image. So I've pasted the prompt here, the voiceover script you generated from ChatGPT. Then I'll now click on this arrow and allow it to generate my video for me. So I'm going to play the final outcome once our video is ready. So our video is ready. Let me play it.
In ancient wisdom, a healthy stomach begins with movement. Walk for just 15 to 30 minutes every day, especially after a meal. Walk slow.
Alright, so guys, can you see that this is how you can generate using Google Gemini? Do you understand? You can copy, like this one, I just say the first paragraph. You can copy the second paragraph, you put it, generate. The third paragraph, you put it, generate. Do you understand? That is if you want to use Google Gemini. But if you want to use Flow AI or any video generator, feel free to use it. I'm not limiting you to Google Gemini. Do you understand? So for the next step, I'm going to show you how you can generate your voiceover. If you don't want to make your images to talk, maybe you don't have money to subscribe to Pro Plan, and you don't have time for all the stress converting your images to video, you can actually add voiceover and make your images to be sliding without even talking. Do you understand? So I'm going to show you that in a minute. For our voiceover generation, I'm going to be making use of Google AI Studio. Google AI Studio is a free tool, a free app that you can use for your voiceover generation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this particular prompt. Then I'll head over to my Chrome browser and I'll search for Google AI Studio. And when I click on Google AI Studio, I'll click on Generate Speech. When I click on generate page, it will bring me to this interface. I'll click on the add voiceover, and when I click on the add voiceover, it will bring me to this background. Do you understand? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this existing script that is here, because when it comes to Google AI Studio, you're going to see an already made script. You have to delete it so you can have space to paste your own. I hope I'm communicating. So delete everything to the last word. Delete every single thing you see there. So I'll just paste this my prompt. I seen it. I've pasted it. And having pasted our script, you're going to choose the voice that we want to use. I love using male voice, and this time around we need an older voice, an older male voice. So let's see.
What do you want to explore?
Let's see this one.
What sparks your interest?
No, let's see this one.
What do you want to explore?
Oh god, I think I'll go with this first one.
What do you want to explore?
Can manage this, right guys? Then I'll just click on it and it will come up. So once it has come up, see the instruction I gave it, guys. I said read aloud in a deep bass and a calm voice. So if you notice now, my own voice have changed because my own has changed to bass, deep bass and calm voice. All right, so I'm gonna click on this run CTRL and it will start generating my voice. Guys, our voiceover is ready. Let me play it.
In ancient wisdom, a healthy stomach begins with gentle movement, not more medicine. Walk for just 15 to 30 minutes every day, especially after a meal. A calm walk helps your digestive system move food naturally through your body, reducing bloating, constipation, and discomfort. Do not rush.
Are you saying it? Do not rush. Do not rush. I don't know if I'm rushing to. So to download it, I'm gonna click on this arrow here and I'll have my voiceover downloaded into my device. And that's it. Now that we have our voiceover ready, everything ready, the next step is to edit. Yes, I'm going to use CapCut to edit. Feel free to use InShot, Edit, or any editing tool of your choice, right? So I'm just head over to CapCut. I'm going to import the images and add the voiceover on it and come up with something beautiful. Guys, so now I'm done editing. I added my voiceover, I added the captions, I added animations, things that will make my video pop. Then I'll just play the final results for you guys. So here it is.
In ancient wisdom, a healthy stomach begins with gentle movement, not more medicine. Walk for just 15 to 30 minutes every day, especially after a meal. A calm walk helps your digestive system move food naturally through your body, reducing bloating, constipation, and discomfort. Do not rush.
Alright guys, so that is it. Like I said, this is tutorial, so it's not meant to be long, right? So it can make yours to be long, it can make yours to be very amazing, more amazing than mine. You understand? So the essence of tutorial is to guide you, to show you how to do it. Then it is now on you to do better than your teacher. Are you getting me? So please do well to experiment with this in your leisure, and also let us engage ourselves in the comment section. Is this what you would like to try out? If you would like to try it out, let me know. And if you don't want to try it out, if you have something against this particular niche, also let me know in the comment section. Let us interact together. So that's it, guys.
If you've watched up to this point, do well to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so do not miss out whenever a new video is being dropped. The prompt for this particular video will be dropped on my Telegram community. Yes, this is a place where you can access this particular prompt and the previous prompts I have been using for my other videos. So if you want to access these prompts and many other incentives, do well to click on the link in the description box and it will take you straight to my Telegram community where you will meet people that are also going like you in content creation. Don't forget that I'm available for coaching and one-on-one collaboration. Do well to reach out to me through the email showing in my description box, and also do well to drop your comments. What are the things you want to see on this channel? What are the topics you want to be taught on this particular channel? Let me know in the comment section and I'll do well to bring it up in my next tutorial. So guys, until I come your way next time, stay jiggy and stay safe. Bye.